Welcome to another short video by Automotive Control. We've got a lovely Transporter t6.1 crew van with us. We've been installing awesome Kenwood multimedia unit. The old composition 7-inch system out, the new DMX9720 in, also fire stick through the HDMI port has been added as well. We haven't lost any factory fitted functionality at all. So we have steering wheel controls all work. We've got access to the Volkswagen settings menu, which is accessed by pressing the steering wheel button 5 times. So we can still change all the vehicle settings as we did before. We've got DAB, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We have retention of the factory USB-C ports. One's linked up to the Kenwood and one is a secondary charging, so they both still work. On this particular vehicle, we've also added a reverse camera, and that can be viewed automatically when you go in reverse, or just by pressing the cam button we can also view, so we can technically see the rear camera whilst we're driving along as well. All the SOS is retained, so that's fully retained and fully working. We've also put in the customer's Amazon Fire Stick, which runs through the HDMI port. This isn't quite set up, but yeah, Amazon Fire Stick, which can be viewed perfectly for this 10-inch screen. We've also, if you have got a factory rear camera, we can retain that. So we've added a new camera to this vehicle because it didn't have one. If you have a factory fitted camera already, we can also retain that, and this will work through the audio system in the same way. We've also got things like your park assist, optic display. All of these features are retained. So on this particular setup, nothing is lost at all. It's just an upgrade to what you already have. Even if you've got the 8-inch or 9-inch nav units, we can still swap those out and fit this particular Kenwood 10.1-inch screen in. Also, popular upgrades on these transporters is we do the full electric power tailgate, underseat subwoofers, speaker upgrades, front and rear, coding of the rear fade, for example, on the factory radios. We can do all these kind of works from our workshop in Avonmouth in Bristol. So if you've got any queries or questions, or you like something like this fitted to your vehicle, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.